Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can build a website using Canva. So on top of being able to create a design and also creating a video, you can also build a really cool website using Canva. And the process is the same as when you're designing a PowerPoint document, or maybe you're designing a wallpaper or social media post. It is the same because after all, it is built using Canva. So what you need to do first is you have to open Canva, and then you want to open a website template. This is, for example, this is a website template, but in case you don't have or you're not using a website template, you can click resize, and then you can search for website, and you will find a website template, this one, and then you can click copy and resize. So basically, you are going to have a new document that's specifically made to build a website. More or less the feature is the same, but there are a few distinctions. One of them is you are going to be able to publish the website and anyone can visit the website. So after you open the website template, you can click design and navigate to the template section, and then you can start using a template that you want to insert into your website. For example, I'm going to be using this template, and let's say I'm going to apply all 7 pages on this website. So when I scroll the website, it's going to look like this. This is definitely a working website. It looks modern. This is the kind of website that you might have seen on the internet. So if you want to edit anything, it's really just the same as editing a design in Canva. You can change the document, you can change the text, add some new text boxes, or you want to change the color. Process is again just the same. I'm not going to get into detail for that because I think you already know how to do that. But basically, when you're done, you can click publish website, and make sure to enable resize on mobile, so mobile users is able to visit the website. And you can also you can also customize the URL of the website, and there is also some publish settings, like you can add some description to make it more SEO friendly, and there is also the option to enable search engine visibility to let Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo to search your website. And also you can just set it private. You can enable password protection for the website. Anyway, when you're done with the setting, you can click publish website and just wait until Canva finishing your design, and then eventually it will publish your design as a dedicated website which anyone can visit and see. Now when you're done, you can click view website, and it will open a new page that allows you to see the website that you just built using Canva. And I think it looks really cool. This is definitely a professional looking website that may be created using WordPress or other popular CMS like maybe Squarespace or some other names like that. And yeah, I think it's really good. So if you want to build a landing page, or maybe you want to build a portfolio website, you definitely can use Canva. So anyway, that's how you can build a website using Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.